Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Rennie.
Rennie. Hello, Rennie. How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay. How old are you?
10 years old.
10 years old. How is the weather today?
Sunny.
Sunny. Okay. I have some questions for you. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. The first look at the picture and tell me what this. It's the book. Okay. And look at this. Is this the pen?
No.
No. It's the
Pencil.
pencil. Okay. Show me a computer. Show me a computer. Good. This is the computer. And is it the table? Is it a table? No. It's the desk. Okay. Good job. What this? It's the scissor. Okay. Is this a pen?
No.
No. It's the
Ruler.
rubber. Okay. And what's this?
Ruler.
Ruler. Okay. Is this a table?
No.
No.
Chair.
It's the chair. Okay. Is this a pencil?
Yes. No.
No. It's the.
Pen.
How many pens do you have? 5 pens. Good. And this is the
Pencil.
pencil case. Good job. How many pencil case do you have? 2. Okay, good. And when you go to school, you don't forget your okay, don't forget your school map. Okay. Next, touch you. Okay. Look at the picture and tell me what this.
Door.
Door is the door. Do you like playing door?
1.
Do you like playing door?
Yes.
Yes. How many doors do you have?
1.
1 door. Okay. Next, is it a car?
5.
Is it a car?
No.
No. It's the bike. Okay. Look at this. What's this? Frisbee. Frisbee. Okay. And show me the dinosaur. The dinosaur. Where is the dinosaur? Okay, good. Is this a teddy?
No.
No, it's the ball. Is it the?
Teddy.
It's the teddy. Okay. How many teddy do you have?
2.
2. Okay, good. Is it a car?
Train.
No. It's the train. Okay. What is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy?
Door.
Door. Okay. Okay. So next is about party park. Okay. Look at the picture and tell me what is. Eye. Okay. Where are your eyes? Okay. How many eyes have you got? 2 eyes. Okay. Good. And where are your ears? Where are your ears? Yeah. How many ears have you got? 2 ears. Good job. And what else? What do you have?
No.
No. And
Mouth.
what else? How many arms have you got? 2 arms. Okay. Look at the picture and tell me. Left. How many legs have you got? 2 left. Okay. And next is foot. What do you? How many foot do you have?
10.
2 foot. 2 foot. In okay. Show me your nose. No. Show me your mouth. Okay. Tell me what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? No. What is your favorite color? Color? Red or orange, green, yellow. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Good job. Thank you so much and goodbye.